Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited today, 14th of August 2023. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel, right? Subscribe to this and then turn on the notification button. Welcome to our weekly analysis once again. All right, we usually like to start with gold XAU USD. Last week, under review, because we're going to see what happened last week and then forecast what we're expecting in the market this week, both technically and fundamentally. All right, so we look at what the technical is saying and what the fundamental is also saying. So we major on technical analysis, and today let's look at gold. What happened last week? Last week under review, we told you that gold is on its way down, but we are looking for opportunity to buy gold because it's already made a low, and we told you is either go start to buy from here or from this other point. All right, so as we speak right now, we bought gold, actually made 50 pips. All right, twice we made 50 pips, that's 100 pips. But you can see that this particular structure was broken. Let me show you so that you understand. Here was broken last week. All right, so and currently this is where price is. If you even take this our major support we highlighted before, all right, if you take it, you see we told you that these our key levels that is working very well, whether you're calling it support and resistance, whether you're calling it supply and demand zone, whether you're calling it accumulation or distribution zone, whatever name you choose, it all means the same, and that is the ability for you to identify a key level where possible price could turn, right? So you can see at this point, we told you we'll be buying that last week, and we bought a little, and it get to this point and it fall down again. And right now you can see that price is very close to this other point, which is our key level, right, for us to buy. So at the moment now, I just need to hold on a bit. Today is Monday, maybe any moment from Tuesday, from tomorrow, when we'll have some fundamentals, because today there's no activity calendar wise, no news today. All right, but tomorrow we are going to see some red folders, some fundamentals. So, but we'll be buying from here. We'll be buying gold from this point. All right, so the highest gold could do is to test 1900. All right, and from there we'll be buying gold. So these are positions for gold for this week. So these are positions for gold for this week. So trade with care. All right. You can see EuroCAD. EuroCAD, we told you that as far as this place is holding, that EuroCAD will be on its way back to this zone. And price has been trending up, though it's not moving extremely well. So this is our last analysis. We told you that price will go up, and it has been going up, but it has not reached where we expect. But I can tell you, for me, EuroCAD, I'm looking for a way to short EuroCAD, so I'm not interested in this buy. So once I see a confirmation, then I will short EuroCAD. But for now, there's no entry point for EuroCAD. But from what we are seeing that's happening in the market, it could be on its way up to this point, right? That is for EuroCAD. So let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF, we are out of this trade. We're buying USD CHF from this point. And you can see that price have been consolidating. So until we see a breakout from here, either here will be respected price coming down, or price breaking here and then retest it before we can get entry point for USD CHF. At the moment, there is no entry point for USD CHF. So for AUD USD, you remember when we started selling AUD USD? If you have not watched our previous videos, go and watch it. You see, we started shorting AUD USD up to this point. At this point, we told you we were going to buy, and we bought to make profits. And it came down here last week. We still bought and made profit. but market has been going one direction because the profit we made was just around 50 pips, and we're anticipating like 200 to 250 pips. So right now, AUD/USD for me at this point, you can see last time price touched here and see it again, price have touched here. So for me, it's a buy trade at the moment, though it can be a short buy, right? So we could buy up to this point. So as far as once your price, your trade enter profit, please make sure you move your entry points, you move your stop loss to entry points. So this is a key level. Let me mark it out for you to know. Once you see price getting to this point, ensure you book your profits or move your stop loss to entry points. For us to continue to buy, price has to break here, retest it before price will continue to make higher. So it should come here, for example, break here, when it break here, and then retest it like this, and then here holding before we can now see price moving higher. But at the moment, we are buying from this point. For NZD/USD last time, we thought, though we entered last week and made 50 pips, but my analysis last week was price should continue to trend from here upwards, but that didn't work. So it didn't work as analyzed, because you can see, let's go to daily and see what I mapped out daily. This is daily analysis, right? On daily you can see the pattern. This is the previous one we did. This was the previous one we did when I told you that price will go down. So I can delete this now. Let me delete it. Let me I think I need to let me clear the chart so that it will be easy for you to identify, to see what we're saying, right? Let's clear the charts and make it clean, because all this one has played out. This harmonic has already played out. Now this is another harmonic we are seeing. You can see S, A, B, C, D. Let me put it automatic so that you see. In fact, we can even clear this also. Clear all this. This particular one didn't work. It didn't continue to go up from here. You only moved 50 pips and then it started going down. Right. So we want to make our charts very neat. This has already worked out. You can see when we were selling from here to here, it has hit the target. So this has already played out. So new analysis. Let me put our harmonics for you to see. I have automated harmonics, and also I can get it manually. So but I prefer to use automatic for this one for you to see. Right, so this is it. You can see this particular pattern here. There's another one at the bigger structure, but there's other one here, X, A, B, C, D. All right, this is a D point, and you can see there's a rejection already. So what we will see for NZD right now, I've already sent the trade to our paid group, is a buy from this point. So remember this, our key level that we already identified at this point, right? Remember this key level that we've already identified here. So no, this particular one here we've already identified. So once the price getting close to here, then you, of course that is already a big pips. Let's see how many pips from here to this point is already 150 pips, and what we are targeting is 250 pips. So once your trade move 50 pips, please move your stop loss to entry point. So we are buying NZD/USD, right? And remember, tomorrow there is a fundamental on AUD and NZD. I will show us, but this is analysis for NZD/USD. Let's look at Euro/USD. Euro/USD for me, like I told you, as far as this place is still holding, price is still on its way down to this point. So at the moment, price has been consolidating for how many days? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For almost 14 days, price has been in this region. So for me, there's no entry point on Euro USD, so I stay away from Euro USD because it has hit here and it has come down. So where it is right now, price is still consolidating. Either is going to continue to move up, and then once price break here, that's when we'll confirm for more upward moves, or price coming down here, breaking here, then we'll confirm more downward moves. So at the moment, we stay out of Euro USD. So for GBP USD, you can see that GBP USD is on a key level. Always remember to watch our key level where we have identified as a key level. And once you have seen where we have identified as a key level, then you need to follow, you need to watch that very point for an entry point. These are key level, right? And as you can see, that price have touched here, so it's natural that it will bounce. All right, natural that price will bounce from this point upwards. So until this place is broken, until this particular place is broken, that's when we see more downward moves. Otherwise, is to buy GBP USD, right? So USD JPY, wow, USD JPY. Remember USD JPY, we didn't trade USD JPY last week. Why? Because I told you that where price is at a decision point, we need to be sure that here will be respected. And I told you, but I know some people took the trade because I told you once you see here you're respected, that price will go up, and if here is broken, it will go down. You can see that it was not broken. It get to this point, and you can see this is a confirmation point for you to buy, because once this price now, it came down, it tested here, and it started moving up. You see that here has been respected, so price move further up. So where price is now, please, if you're on the buy, please exit your buy, because any moment price could fall. All right, even though here I just highlighted here, all right. So but what we can see is price maybe getting to this point and then falling down. Is either price just do something like this, and then from there price fall down, because that place is a key level. Look at it, this key level that was highlighted before, look at it, extend it, this is a key level. So what we could see is price touching here, and from there price fall down, and it could even fall up to this point. This is my analysis for USD JPY. So trade with care. If you are still on the buy, please exit your buy and look for opportunity to sell. And we are anticipating that price will get up to this point. Here we eventually be broken and getting up to this point. So between this week and next week, we should see this playing out. USD card, all right, USD card on daily time frame. Yes, USD card, we're thinking that USD card should fall from here. We're buying USD card and it hits all our TPs. We're thinking that from this point to sell, but you can see that it didn't work out, that it didn't sell from that point, right? Because it didn't sell, price started from this point, and you see that from this point, see that it pushed up and broke here, but where it is still a key level, and then it can happen. Price could fall from there, all right? Price could fall from here for USD card. All right, for Euro GBP. For Euro GBP, we're buying Euro GBP from this point, and where price, look at it, and it moves. Let me see how many pips we've made for those that took that trade. I told you that we're buying Euro GBP, and this is over 90 pips made from Euro GBP. So where price is right now is that price is coming down to retest it. From here, continue to move up, right? So there's no entry point for this week at this moment. So you wait, either price get to this point or price get to this point and break it. So at the moment, if you're still on the trade, ensure your trade, your stop loss is moved into profits, right? Because we started buying from this point. All right, for CHF JPY, all right, I told you as far as here is holding, that is still a buy trade. At the moment, there's no new analysis except what we have analyzed, and that is to buy, and look at where we started buying, and price is still moving slowly but still on profit. For GBP-JPY. Wow, this one, right? GBP-JPY is currently at a key level, at a resistance. So last week we sold, and after it moved up to this point, and he started buying again. All right, we started selling since last 2 weeks, and we made profits, and it's back to entry point. So from this point, we still look for opportunity to sell. So from here, what I'll be doing is to wait for, if you are a conservative trader, you need to wait for market to close, right? I mean, wait for daily time frame rejection. That is to say, to get a price action on daily time frame to know if this place is still going to be respected, because the way and manner the bulls are hitting hard on GBP-JPY, the hair could be broken. So we need to trade with care. So it's either you wait for a daily closure, all right, for a rejection for you to short GBP-JPY. Same scenario with 0JPY, because 0JPY is also same scenario. It's have even broken this point. This particular place has broken it, right? But if you check, you see that MACD is still making lower highs and lower lows. Why? Look at it. So there is a divergence. Why the price is making higher highs, higher lows. So it could still fall at any point, but you can wait for a daily time frame for rejection to get entry points. All right. And then finally, CHF-JPY. Same scenario with CHF-JPY. CHF-JPY, we were shorting from this point, but here has been broken. So we have to wait for a daily time frame to get entry points. Once we see a rejection on daily time frame, we'll short, because MACD is making lower highs, lower lows, while price is making higher highs. So there's still a possibility of price flashing down with speed, right? Price could still flash down with speed, but we have to wait on a daily time frame, or a daily time frame for us to really get entry points, right? So look at what price is doing, and look at what MACD is doing. So once we see a daily closure, I don't mind, I will even send it to our paid group, right? So if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this Dubiss Forex Academy, and then please follow us on all our social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. Join us on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy, and then finally, by tomorrow, I will have another video tomorrow where I'm going to show you fundamentally what we are looking at regarding fundamental. I want to end here for today. Tomorrow, I will come back and then give us another analysis fundamentally. All right. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. This is sponsored by our broker FBS. Please see our broker FBS. If you don't have an account with FBS, please register. You'll see the registration link on this video. Click on it and register with our link. And on 26th, we'll be having a massive class webinar. It's going to be massive. Don't miss that webinar on 26th, and that is next week Saturday. All right, I will drop the link also for you to join that webinar. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.